sometimes ra is pronounced strong and sometimes it's pronounced weak. When it's pronounced strong, it's called Tafkheem, and when it's pronounced weak, it's called Tarqeeq. So firstly, let's look at the scenarios in where ra is pronounced strong. So Tafkheem ar-ra. The first scenario is when ra has fatha or dhamma on it. Okay, so if we look at this example, the word rusulu, we can see dhamma is clearly written on the ra. So here we're going to pronounce the ra strong. Rusulu. We're not going to say ru, rusulu. The second example is when we have a fatha on top of the ra. We're going to pronounce ra strong. Rasulun. Rasulun mubin. Ra. Okay, we're not going to say ra. The second scenario is when we have a ra, which is sakin. Okay, sakin means it has a sukoon on it, and before this ra there is a fatha or a dhamma. So if we look at this example here, Qur'an, okay, we have a ra sakin and before it is a dhamma. So here we're going to pronounce ra with strength. Qur'an. We're not going to say Qur'an. The second example is when we have a ra sakin and before is a fatha. We're going to pronounce the ra strong. We're going to say Maryam, not Maryam, Maryam. The third scenario is when we have a ra which is sakin. Okay, so it has a sukoon in it again, and the letter before it other than a ya is sakin. So the letter before this ra which has sukoon on it is sakin. However, it's not a ya. Okay, this letter cannot be a ya. It has to be something other than a ya. Okay, it can be ba, ta, tha, jim. It just can't be ya. And then the letter preceding that letter, so the letter before that letter, has a fatha or a dhamma on it. Okay, so let's look at the example now.